Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
First, prepare your Mac before installing Visual Studio for Mac. Ensure your Mac runs Mac OS 11 or later. Check that you have at least 8 GB of RAM and 10 GB free disk space. Install Xcode command line tools now to enable native builds and simulators. Optionally, install Homebrew to manage packages and tooling with simple commands. Finally, download and install the NET6 or later SDK for cross-platform project compatibility and tooling support. Next, install Visual Studio for Mac using the official installer you downloaded. Run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to accept permissions and components. Choose workloads such as ASP, Net, NetCore, or Xamarin to install relevant tools and templates. The installer may download about 3 GB of additional data depending on workloads selected. Sign in with your Microsoft account when prompted to unlock settings and license benefits. Restart the IDE after installation to complete configuration and apply SDK. Now create, run, and publish a project inside Visual Studio for Mac. Click New Project and pick a template, then select a target framework like Net6. Configure project options and choose a platform such as Mac OS, iOS, Android, or web. Use the play button to build and run your app while setting breakpoints for debugging. Test mobile apps in the iOS simulator or Android emulator provided by Xcode and Android SDK. When ready, use the Publish dialog to deploy to a folder, Docker image, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.